Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, say, on to the date, which is Monday, June the 2nd, 2025, of doing this recording, my people. Right in the morning, yeah, the sun not even a shine today. A pure cloud. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Some people, you don't know the attacking boss got to work, you know, my people. You know, so when I see a story, and it do, you know what I mean, draw me attention and me deserve, say, you know, so that story I need to get to attack. You don't know the attacking boss got to work. So my viewers and my subscribers, you know what I say? A video go viral. You know what I mean? With a bridging from down and over side, on the western side in Jamaica, my people. Well, this bridging, well, a lot of people that say Mr. Dawes, Brother Dawes. Some people that say real deal Radcliffe, or some people that say Radcliffe. You don't know other people as have other name, you know. You don't know, because you see one thing with Jamaica, we love make name and give people nickname. If a man short, we say short man. Him blue black, we say blacks. Him red, we say red man. You know the thing of my people. But no joke about it, man. So, Brother Dawes and all my people, real deal Radcliffe, I cry out. And him a ball out, my people. And him a expose a bag of things. Zin? So let the people see it. They must say like him a lose a screw. They must say like he made no good. He made gone. You know what I mean? What if people, see people even say, yo, I must deport him and him a mad out or something, my people. But you see for the real people who know the truth and the story and the history behind this bridging, boy, they may tell us something different. Some people, basically, the man a cry out because the man a say the current government Prime Minister of Jamaica took away his land right down there in the town, in a Lucy and over in the capital, my people. The man a say, him have him land, and him a show you. Me a go show you the video them, me have the video clip them, my people. The man a say him have him things them, my people. And basically, them take away him land because him land them worth millions of dollars, my people, right in the town, in a Lucy. And the man them stays a boom and change him lot number, my people. And when him check it out, it's a church. A government church that them put upon him thing, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So this man, my people, him wanna expose a bag of things. I'm gonna tell him the truth behind this man. But you know what? Let me share them clips here. And then me will tell him the truth I go on after.
Yeah, see Bumbuckler Church, yeah. Where boss attack. Yeah.
Alright, that's a Brian Clark.
Yeah.
Take me land and put him on a building there, my hand to Holness.
Yeah.
This is the town center. This is the town center. See crack up there, sir. And the government tax office over there, so now with the property. It's going to show me the building there. The building there goes to the town center building. And Brian Clark keep my property out of seawall and divert the address to the building there. A church building where no one now go search for no title for the building here. And then robbery and Andrew Holness and Brian Clark creating a thing. This is the town center. When me pull up my land, and Rkest say bring me come. For the title where them do. Rkest say bring me come. And then dirty this Andrew Holness skip up. See clock there, sir. The clock there up there, sir. You saw the town blood clot center Lucy. Rkest saw the town center Lucy. All who the blood clot do. Rkest saw the town center Lucy. But my property, for the night, he end up on a building there. And when you go on a dirty tax office there. A dirty tax office there.
Yo, you batch low.
Batch
low, video
gun. Blood clot over there, sir. See them on your phone, father. Use your phone, man.
Batch low. Hold it. That top line, sir.
When me talk about my thing, some little batty boy, I can't live like me, not be. Why tell me some you're mad about my blood clot picking them things? When I'm stuck with the woman going, I want blood clot from there. I want to protect the pain of this blood clot. Me not do nothing illegal. Me never see a foreigner buy. No man no go yet. No boy and no girl can't find for me for no bumble dumble thing. Me no fuck batty and me no suck pussy. They are bumbo clock gangster. You hear that?
Brian Clark. Remember the documents, you know. I remember just some my lawyer deal with the business. See folder number there and everything, you know. Brian Clark, see me folder number there and everything. See me name there. See the thing there. See the, every time the man want the money, my lawyer do my business official, you know. You see it? Brian Clark. See it? See it, people? Look for that type here now. I'll be type with my folder number end up in the city hall. See there? Me not tell you no lie. See there? Want to check the data and everything. This
You see your Jamaica government, you see your Andrew Holness. I work with the criminal and the criminal police them. Listen, me they have been here 5:20. A bad department life. At this body I come probably life say my police. If I go plant car in a big gun, if I plant gun in a big car, they don't tap and trick me per road. They don't tap, give me ticket and they sit there. What me do? Me don't do nothing. Me just a victim of crime in that country. We lose me land. Why Andrew only said man that trick me? There are people with bulletproof vests all about a drive around as police around and them are the police. Andrew only have much man that drive around in a bulletproof vest and them are the police.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as I hear the man a cry out, as I hear the man a ball out, the man say, have him land my people and them rob him and them take away him stuff. And me I say, brother Rkest, if I saw you going on and you have your land, you know, you see me? And them take you away and rob you, you know, my brother. No matter if a J or a PNP or a JLP or a Prime Minister opposition, you deserve the righteous things and you deserve to get back your things. See? Because a lot of people may cry out for a situation like this. So Mr. Rkest, Mr. Daz, don't stop fighting, my brother. If they want to see you mad out or whatever, because people, I got to tell them the truth. This bridge, you know, and some look hungry belly man, you know, and some look broke pocket boy, I road, you know, my people. This man got him things. Because I can't tell the people. The man got a mansion right down the on the western side, my people. And that is just a way I show up, because I'm not show up everything. The man got a big old mansion, my people. So I look a man on the roadside, and I look a street man when I have nothing. It's a man who have him things, and I'm going to show you a clippings of this man place. Look at my people.
I'll show you what I go on at. See my lion them there, you know, them lion they conquer child of Judah. See one there, see two there, see three there, four there, five there, and see a great Dave Daz there. You see me? The great blood clot Daz breed, but that's a code, but with all the type of chat like the batty boy dodger, you see me? Right here now, that's a code, that's a code. That's a code. You better remember that bumper clot there. See with the lion conquering tribe of Judah. I want you know, see the two more. Two over there, so that's four. I see it there. But you do with them like a batty boy, you go with them like a idiot blood class style. They was somebody bad.
So you can bust up your mama straight up. I don't bleach out you with your friends. Paint on no frightened, feel nobody that. Cause we no race up. Remember me tell me big bar, brave you so you can't run up time. Chick black up, beat you. Me put up on the top and stay so big. Be my skate out, fuck girl every day now.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you see it? So the man a fight and the man a cry out for him rights to people. And the man a say, at the current government of Jamaica Prime Minister, them took away him things, my viewers and subscribers. And this man is a Jamaican citizen. And him need to get back him things. Whoever, you know what I mean? My boss, Mr. Daz Rkest, get in a lawyer, my brother. You see it? Get in a lawyer because you don't know you have your things and you have your money, you know. Get in a lawyer and jump on the case and took back what you have took. You see me? Because if you saw you going, you have your land, my brother. And them took away your land and go give your church like change up paperwork and everything. Then no robbery this for people. Because if the man have him land, in the town center down there saying a low scene, you know, so them land, a commercial land worth millions of dollars in Jamaica, my people. Eh? And them do something like this to the eye. Then the crueltiness and wickedness, man. Our wickedness. So the man have to fight. The man have to cry out and the man have to speak out and the man have to make you know, so look ya, for what him have, you know. Because people will see him with them things and things, say him rob, him scam, him go the wrong way, forget it, but him man have make you know, so look ya, him not do nothing wrong, forget what him have. See it, because you don't know when people see people with certain things in Jamaica, the first come to their mind are drugs and scamming with people. That are the first thing. Some people not think, say, yo, you can't work hard and build up yourself. Or you know what I mean, you can't do your business, them what them not have to know about. But some people just think be a negativity and corruption in Jamaica. No joke about it. But as me say, my people, when we see things like this, man, I will see a bridge and a cry out, I wanna we have to speak out. You understand? So Mr. Radcliffe, Mr. Daz, real deal Radcliffe, we are open up and we are pray for the best and you get back your things, brother. You understand? Because you need back your things and we are up, we are pray and we want the best for you. You see me? Some of viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself every time. You don't know, see one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And just remember to do like the people, do share, do comment and do subscribe. You're not subscriber already, please do subscribe. No! Follow up on the clock up, my people. TikTok. Follow up on Instagram. Insta. Follow up on Snapchat. Snappy. Follow up on Facebook. Facebook. Follow it all over on all social media platforms, the people. Remember, like this video. It is important to do. Like my video and share it to people. Expose corruption. Expose it, my people. Attack. 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 Attack.